Alright, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video. So remember that video that I made a couple weeks ago? Yeah, so I thought it was just bad gas. Turns out that it's not. So yeah, we're on the way to a shop right now. It's gonna take like 30 minutes to get there. And it's raining, of course. When is it not raining? Yeah, luckily, since it's just the spark plugs and maybe the coils, it's not gonna be a super crazy expensive fix. And yeah, I'm not gonna go to the Mercedes dealership to get it fixed because my car is tuned and I don't have a stock file to put it back to. So I don't want to risk getting my VIN flag. It's not just about going to the dealership, it's actually more about saving money. Because if you go to a Mercedes-Benz dealership to get something fixed like this, they're gonna charge you a ton of money. It's gonna be well over like $1,000 to get the spark plugs and the coils replaced by Mercedes. If I didn't have a tune on my car, I would easily take it to the Mercedes dealership because this kind of stuff is actually under warranty until like 50,000 miles or so. I just want my car to work properly again without a check engine light flashing at me, scaring the crap out of me. So like the symptoms of your spark plugs going out are like pretty much like your cylinders will misfire, and that'll cause like some vibration and the acceleration will not be there. We're gonna get there in 25 more minutes, and yeah, I'll see you guys at the shop. What's up you guys? So I just picked the car back up from auto engineering. They seem to do really good work, so if you guys are in the Massachusetts area, the Lexington area, make sure to hit them up because they know what they're doing. So once the car warms up a little bit, I don't know if you guys can see, but the car is a little bit cold still, so once it warms up a little bit, I'll definitely see if... Where am I going? Oh no, I'm lost. Once the car warms up a little bit, I'll definitely give it a little pull just to see how it's doing. Because that check engine light would always get triggered when I would downshift and try to accelerate. So I'm gonna do that again and hopefully it won't happen. So I'll be back. Alright, so the car is nice and warm now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in Sport Plus for the first time, and let's see how it picks up. Ooh. Woo. Damn. I forgot how fast this car was. But yeah, it seems like the problem is gone. Downshift, accelerate. Oh, damn. Oh my god. Downshift again. Oh my god. Well, there you go. Alright, so as you guys just saw from that little highway pool, it seems like the issue is finally gone. At first I thought it was just bad gas, but nope. It was definitely the spark plugs and the coils. So, oh yeah, there we go. But yeah, I'm so happy. Oh, like I missed driving this car hard. Like I couldn't drive it hard for like a month because I thought it was bad gas, so I had to go and burn through the whole entire tank and then fill it with good gas. And then like even with the good Shell station gas, like it still came on. So I was like, okay, it's definitely the spark plugs. But everything is good now. I'm happy. And yeah, the bill was a little bit hefty, but that's okay because it's still cheaper than going to Mercedes and getting the repair done. So I'm happy. And oh yeah, so you guys know my car is tuned, so I couldn't really go to Mercedes anyway, because then most likely they would blame the tune and then they would still charge me for new spark plugs, and it would be like it would have probably been like at least $1,000 at the Mercedes dealership to to replace the spark plugs and the coils. But at least now we know the car is running perfectly and nothing to worry about, so that is awesome. I'm just happy I can drive the car the way it's supposed to be driven now. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and always come to a complete stop at stop signs. I will see you guys in the next video.
song. Gun finna jump for the shit. All top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the nightsticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from here.